You are stronger than you think. Often we underestimate our own capabilities, doubting our ability to overcome the challenges that life throws our way. But the truth is, within each of us lies a strength that is far greater than we can imagine. Deep inside you lies a wellspring of untapped potential, a source of power that can propel you forward even in the toughest of times. This potential is not always visible on the surface, but it is there, waiting to be discovered and harnessed. A reservoir of resilience ready to be unleashed. This resilience is what allows you to keep going when the going gets tough, to push through pain and adversity, and to emerge stronger on the other side. It is the fuel that drives you to achieve your goals and to reach new heights. This inner strength is not a gift reserved for a select few, but an inherent power that resides within each and every one of us. It is a universal trait, a common thread that connects us all regardless of our backgrounds or circumstances, but an inherent power that resides within each and every one of us. It is the quiet force that drives us to persevere, to keep moving forward even when the path ahead seems uncertain. It is the inner voice that tells us to keep going, to never give up. It's the quiet voice that whispers, "You've got this," even when faced with adversity. This voice is a reminder that you are capable, that you have the strength to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. It is a source of encouragement and motivation, a beacon of hope in times of darkness, even when faced with adversity. Adversity is a part of life, but it is not something to be feared. It is an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to become stronger. Each challenge you face is a chance to tap into your inner strength and to prove to yourself just how resilient you truly are. It's the unwavering belief in yourself, even when doubt creeps in. Doubt is a natural part of the human experience, but it does not define you. What defines you is your ability to rise above that doubt, to believe in yourself even when others may not. This belief is the foundation of your strength, the cornerstone of your resilience, even when doubt creeps in. This essay is an invitation to embark on a journey of self-discovery, to uncover the immense strength that lies dormant within you. It is a call to action, a challenge to look within and to recognize the power that you possess. This essay is an invitation to embark on a journey of self-discovery, to uncover the immense strength that lies dormant within you. It is a call to embrace your potential, to rise above challenges, and to create a life that reflects the extraordinary individual you truly are, to uncover the immense strength that lies dormant within you. It's a call to embrace your potential, to rise above challenges, and to create a life that reflects the extraordinary individual you truly are. Let's begin. It's a call to embrace your potential, to rise above challenges, and to create a life that reflects the extraordinary individual you truly are. Let's begin. Remember, the journey starts from within. It begins with recognizing your own inherent worth and the limitless possibilities that lie ahead, and to create a life that reflects the extraordinary individual you truly are. Let's begin. Remember, the journey starts from within. It begins with recognizing your own inherent worth and the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. As you embark on this journey, know that you are not alone. There are countless others who have walked this path before you, and there will be many more who will follow in your footsteps. Remember, the journey starts from within. It begins with recognizing your own inherent worth and the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. As you embark on this journey, know that you are not alone. There are countless others who have walked this path before you, and there will be many more who will follow in your footsteps. Together we can support and uplift each other, drawing strength from our shared experiences and collective wisdom. It begins with recognizing your own inherent worth and the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. As you embark on this journey, know that you are not alone. There are countless others who have walked this path before you, and there will be many more who will follow in your footsteps. Together, we can support and uplift each other, drawing strength from our shared experiences and collective wisdom. So take that first step and let your inner strength guide you towards a brighter, more fulfilling future, and the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. So take that first step and let your inner strength guide you towards a brighter, more fulfilling future. Embrace the journey, and remember that the strength within you is boundless. It is the key to unlocking your true potential and living a life that is rich with purpose and meaning. Belief is the spark that ignites the fire of achievement. It is the invisible force that propels us forward, even when the path ahead seems uncertain or daunting. Without belief, our dreams remain just that, dreams. But with belief, those dreams transform into goals and those goals become our reality. When you believe in yourself, you unlock a world of possibilities. You start to see opportunities where others see obstacles. You begin to understand that your potential is not limited by your current circumstances, but is instead defined by your vision and your willingness to act on it. You become more willing to take risks, to step outside your comfort zone, and to pursue your dreams with unwavering determination. This courage to take action, fueled by belief, is what separates those who merely wish from those who achieve. It's the difference between standing on the sidelines and being in the game. Think of the times you've achieved something you once thought impossible. Each of those moments started with a single thought: I can do this. That thought grew into a belief, and that belief drove you to take the necessary steps to turn the impossible into the possible. It all started with a belief, a flicker of hope that grew into an undeniable knowing. Just like a tiny seed planted in fertile soil, belief needs to be nurtured and cared for. With time, patience, and effort, it grows into something strong and unshakable. J.K. Rowling, the author of the beloved Harry Potter series, faced countless rejections before finding a publisher. Her journey was fraught with challenges and setbacks, but she never let those obstacles extinguish her belief in her story. Her belief in her story, however, never wavered. She knew that her words had the power to touch hearts and change lives. This unwavering belief kept her going, even when the odds seemed insurmountable. She knew, deep down, that her words held magic, and because she believed in that magic, she was able to share it with the world. Her story is a testament to the power of belief and the incredible things it can help us achieve. Your potential, like Rowling's, is limitless. When you believe in yourself, you tap into a wellspring of creativity, resilience, and strength that can carry you through any challenge. You become a beacon of inspiration for others, showing them what is possible when you dare to believe. It's time to fan the flames of self-belief. Take a moment to reflect on your dreams and aspirations. Visualize them as vividly as you can. Feel the excitement and passion they ignite within you. Let that energy fuel your actions and guide your steps. Embrace your unique talents, nurture your passions, and watch in awe as you accomplish the extraordinary. Remember, every great achievement starts with a single spark of belief. So light that spark within you and let it grow into a blazing fire that lights up your path to success. The path to success is rarely linear. It's a journey filled with twists and turns, unexpected detours, and sometimes seemingly insurmountable obstacles. It's often paved with challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. These moments can feel overwhelming, like standing at the edge of a stormy sea or facing a steep hill that seems impossible to climb. But it's in these moments of struggle that we discover our true strength. Just like an athlete who pushes through intense training or an individual who lifts heavy weights, we too can find our inner resilience. Every obstacle we overcome, every challenge we face becomes a stepping stone on our journey of growth. Each success, no matter how small, is a testament to our perseverance and determination. Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul and global inspiration, endured a childhood filled with poverty and abuse. Her story is a powerful reminder that our beginnings do not define our future. Her resilience, her ability to rise above her circumstances, is a testament to the power of the human spirit. She transformed her pain into purpose, her struggles into strength, and her dreams into reality. Embrace the struggles, for they are not roadblocks, but opportunities for growth. When we face challenges head-on, we learn more about ourselves and our capabilities. View each challenge as a chance to learn, to adapt, and to emerge stronger than before. Whether it's through reading, preparing for a race, or creating something new, every effort we make contributes to our growth. Remember, it's not about avoiding the falls, but about having the courage to get back up, dust yourself off, and continue moving forward. Each time we rise after a fall, we become more resilient, more determined, and more capable of achieving our goals. The journey of growth is ongoing, and every step we take, no matter how small, brings us closer to our true potential. Section 4. Action, the catalyst for change. Belief without action is like a seed unplanted. It holds potential but remains dormant. To unleash your inner strength, you must be willing to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the ideal circumstances. Start now, with whatever resources you have at hand. Every step, no matter how small, is a move in the right direction. Remember, even the most daunting journey begins with a single step. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small, and keep moving forward with unwavering determination. Section 5. Cultivating a circle of strength. The company we keep has a profound impact on our lives. Surround yourself with positive, supportive individuals who believe in your dreams and encourage your growth. Seek out mentors, friends, and family members who uplift and inspire you. Their unwavering belief in you will serve as a constant source of strength, especially during challenging times. Just as importantly, distance yourself from toxic influences. Negative people and energy-draining relationships can sabotage your progress and erode your self-belief. Remember, you deserve to be surrounded by people who celebrate your successes and support you through your struggles. Section 6. The power of patience and gratitude. The journey of unleashing your inner strength is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires patience, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in yourself. Cultivate patience. Understand that growth takes time. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and remember that every step forward, no matter how incremental, is a victory worth acknowledging. Practice gratitude. Take time each day to appreciate the good in your life, the lessons learned, and the opportunities that lie ahead. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering a sense of contentment and peace. Section 7. Unleashing your true potential. You possess within you the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. Embrace your unique talents, nurture your passions, and never be afraid to dream big. The world is filled with possibilities, waiting for you to seize them. Step outside your comfort zone, challenge yourself, and never stop learning and growing. Remember, your potential is limitless. Believe in yourself, embrace the journey, and watch in awe as you create a life that is truly extraordinary.